How to add search bar in Wix. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can add search bar on Wix website. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up your Wix website that you would like to edit. Now to add the search bar, navigate to top left corner, click on this plus icon that says add elements. Once you see this kind of pop-up in your interface, go to the search bar at the top, and here in the search bar you have to search for search. Type in search and then search for it. After that you will find the site search results. You have to click on it. Now again navigate to this pop-up box in your left hand side, and at the bottom there is Wix Site Search. Click on it. Wait for a while until the Wix Site Search gets added into your website. There you go, the search bar has been added, and you will find this default search result in your interface. So this is the search bar. Here you can click it and drag it and place it wherever you like in your interface. Now to edit this search bar, what you have to do is click on it, and here you have to head towards the quick edit. Click on quick edit, and here now you could edit your search bar. Click on your default search bar that you see on your interface, and if you navigate on your left hand side, there you could edit your content and the layout. If you go to the layout, you can add a section to the search results as well. If you go to the content, here you can manage content. So here you could edit your search results title if you want it. You can add the section background and then change it as well by clicking on this change here. Now for the search results, if you want to manage the content of the search results from your dashboard, click on settings here. Then you will see the search results settings. Again, here you have various settings that you can choose from. Under the main, click on manage settings. Now here you get an options that you want to show on your search. If you want to show your blog post, you could turn on this toggle. If not, simply turn off this toggle. Then the blog post will not be displayed in your search results. If you want to edit it, then you have to click on this pencil like icon. Then you can change the label text for your search results as well. If you click on the advanced settings, you will have advanced settings such as show hidden pages as well. So if you want to turn on that, you could also do that. If you go to the reorder section, here you can reorder your pages on the search results. Now if you head towards the more settings, here you have display settings, you have layout settings, and also the design settings for the search bar, result menu, search results, and button. So you could also explore all of these options. So once you have added your search results, and if you publish your website, and if you navigate to this website through your browser, then you will find search results in your website or in your Wix website. So that's how you could add search results in Wix website, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.